In all reality, this is the best beef stew recipe I've come across. This hearty stew tastes like home. You will need 2¼ pounds of cubed beef stew meat, 3 medium gold potatoes cubed, 1 cup chopped celery, 1½ cups chopped carrots, and 1 cup of onion diced, ½ cup of tomato juice, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 cup chopped stewed tomatoes, 4 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 4 tablespoons beef base, 1 cup of dry red wine, 4½ tablespoons of oil, and 11 cups of water. Add 4 tablespoons of oil to a large frying pan and turn the heat on medium-high. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the stew meat into the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and ½ teaspoon of ground black pepper and fry until well browned, stirring occasionally. Once the meat is well browned, reduce the heat to a medium-low and add 1 cup of dry red wine. Simmer until most of the wine is reduced. Meanwhile, bring 11 cups of water to a boil. Add 4 tablespoons of beef base and 1 tablespoon of salt. Add the meat to the broth along with 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and let it simmer on medium-low heat with the lid half closed. Drizzle ½ tablespoon of oil into the same frying pan. Turn the heat on medium and sauté the diced onions until they start to get soft. At that point, add the carrots and celery and fry for a few more minutes. Add the vegetables to the pot along with your diced potatoes, tomato juice, and stewed tomatoes. Bring this to a boil and cook until the potatoes are tender when pierced. Now go ahead and make this delicious beef stew. Thank you so much for visiting. Good food made easy.